Alright, another quick video on cleaning. All this, you probably can't see it very well. All the debris that's here. Okay, I just vacuumed this, and all this stuff came out of the roof. And I took maybe a minute and just kind of blew in there. So as you go in here, a bunch of sand all trapped way up inside here. Okay, sucking it out is one thing. You know, I really cleaned this area out here where the quarter panel window is, and then I blew it, and just so much gook just came out. So think about when your painter's painting, he's blowing. So do a good job. Go through and get those big chunks and suck it out, and then blow it out. And then what I'll do is I'll do a final clean of the dust and get a real powerful, just like my leaf blower, and really get in here and blow the rest of it out. But you want to get inside all the nooks and crannies, all in here. You start one end, blow it right here, and then work the way with stuff material this way, and it'll all come out eventually. But you can see, there's a bunch of holes everywhere, so it'll be loud, but at least you can kind of see what I'm doing. Line up. So I'll show you what I do. Blower. Get in here. I got most of it out, so you probably won't see much. Took it in really good. I can see more dust picking out the far side over here if you can or not. Alright, and then I'm going to do this other side here, the video, so that you can see all the debris that comes out. I haven't hit this side yet, so do my best to get the light in there so you can see all the debris that comes out. Let's try this again. Alright, one more time. If you can see it in the video or not, lots of debris taken up. How about you get in here? You can also get, everywhere. Everything, you get every nook and cranny where that painter's going to hit. So, look underneath where I already did. Inside the frame here, inside the rear panel, in here where the leaf spring hooks up here, there's a little crack all the way down there. In gas tank supports, everywhere under here, or even just even along the weld joints, there's stuff that sits in there. So I got in here pretty good. So it's anywhere that material can sit in pockets. Be surprised where it sits, where it goes. It just gets everywhere. So you just want to make sure whatever you do that if it's being painted, you got to blow it out. So everything from inside the dash, under the seat support, inside the firewall, in here. So, but I'm going to continue doing this, but at least you get an idea of kind of what you need to do to clean this thing and get all dust out. That's if you get it sandblasted. That way when the painter does it, he's not ruining the paint from all the dust.